60च्या क्लासमधून 2 असं टाकायचं. बरोबर.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Last lecture we have seen the lathe machine and operations on the lathe machine. Now for the today's lecture we will see the drilling machine. Okay, so we have discussed something about some information about, we have discussed about the drilling machine, what exactly drilling machine, how it is, and we have drawn the diagram of lathe machine, drilling machine. So up to this I think we have covered, no? Up to diagram part, diagram is completed. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Everybody has completed diagram.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes.
this drilling machine normally it is used for making and drills or making and holes in the workpiece or any metal plate, right? So you can use the material as a wooden material or maybe a metal kind of thing you can use for making a holes, right? So here in this drilling machine there is a workpiece is fixed on the table, and this drilling tool has a rotary motion. Drilling tool has a rotary motion, and accordingly drilling can be done on the workpiece. Okay, so in the initial discussion of the drilling machine we have seen it. Now we have to see how this construction and the main parts of the drilling machine. So if you look at, this is a base. Okay, so normally the base we can make the concrete. Whenever you want to install the machine, we have to make the concrete first. Okay, we have to keep some foundation for installing the machine, and that machine will be bolted, okay, in the foundation. So whatever the foundation we made, we have to make it for the installing the machine. जे काही foundation केलं जाईल त्या foundation वरती आपण काय करायचं, nut bolting करायचं, right? Then only whatever the vibration, if vibration comes in the machine, so those vibrations can be reduced, and whatever the accuracy we want on this machine in terms of holes, so we can achieve it. Okay, जेवढे तुम्ही व्हायब्रेशन्स मिनिमाइज कराल तेवढे तुमची मशीनची अॅक्युरेसी वाढेल. जे तुम्हाला होल्स पाहिजे साईजचे ते तुम्ही अॅक्युरेट मिळवू शकता, जर व्यवस्थित प्रॉपरली तुम्ही जर इन्स्टॉलेशन केलं तरच ते पॉसिबल आहे. सो देन नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज कॉलम. So column is what? It's a cylindrical part. Okay, solid one, cylindrical and solid one part. It is very rigid one. Okay, so this is used for supporting the entire machine or the entire machine parts like head, then this check assembly, table. Okay, so the function of the column is to which supports the entire machine or the entire machine parts like head, then pulley arrangement, electrical motor, then table, and the check assembly. So which is kind of column is a supporting member. It is a rigid one. Okay, then next part is head. So this head consists of check assembly and the pulley and the motor arrangement. Okay, so this head consists of 3 parts. Actually this is a belt drive arrangement, electrical motor, and this assembly, check assembly. This then next one is sleeve. So what do you mean by sleeve? Sleeve is a part, it is a fixed part. Okay, so it will not revolve. So which sleeve hold the work hold the spindle. In the spindle you can have the drilling tool. So drilling tool will be press fitted in the sleeve. जे drilling tool असणार आहे, it is press fitted in the sleeve. Okay, sleeve will not rotate, but this drilling tool has a rotary motion. Then next is the check. So it is an assembly, that sleeve, check, and the drilling tool. It's a complete assembly. Okay, so this check, how we have seen the check in the lathe machine, similarly we can observe the check in the drilling machine also for holding the tool perfectly, for clamping the tool. So we can use it, but basically it is this drilling tool is press fitted in the sleeve, and sleeve will be have the lowering, means it will lower up and down parallel to the axis of the spindle. Okay, so as the table on which workpiece is clamped, so we need to travel the cutting tool toward the workpiece. So we have to have there is a motion of the sleeve towards the workpiece, or you can say linear motion, and tool will be traveled toward the workpiece and the drilling operation can be done, right? Then next is the workpiece is mounted on the table. Okay, so table is adjustable. It will be move up and down on the column. Okay, so table is fitted on the column. It can be rotated through 90 degree with any angle. जेवढ्या तुम्हाला अँगल तुम्हाला हा टेबल रोटेट का तुम्ही रोटेट करू शकताय. So and on this table workpiece will be mounted and it is clamped properly. Okay, and then drilling operation is possible. Drilling operation can be performed. Then this motor. So motor we are using for rotating this drilling tool. Okay, or the spindle you can say. So there is arrangement of pulley, belt and pulley arrangement. So whenever you require high speed, accordingly speed can be varied. If you require minimum speed, you have to shift the belt only in the pulleys. Okay, so these pulleys are of V-shaped pulleys. There are V-shaped pulleys. In the V-shaped pulleys or V-grooved pulleys, if you want to have the mover speed accordingly, the belt can be shifted. Okay, and the speed can be achieved. Whatever the required speed we want to achieve, that can be achieved by changing the belt positions. Okay, and accordingly this drilling operation will be performed on the drilling machine. Okay, if you look at the construction part or the whatever the main parts, column, then head, sleeve and check, drilling tool, workpiece and the table, and the last is base. So these are the basic important parts of the drilling machine. Okay, so if you want to design and develop a drilling machine, it is not much difficult. Okay, so what are the requirements for preparing or for developing this drilling machine? So we require a motor arrangement, then pulley arrangement, then there's a arrangement of check, sleeve arrangement, then drilling tool, then workpiece will be mounted on the table as usual. So the table can be adjustable. It will move up and down, or you can rotate through any angle. So this table is supporting to the workpiece because workpiece is mounted on the table, right? So this is the simple construction of the this drilling machine and the function of each part. Okay, तुम्हाला परीक्षेचा प्रश्न विचारला, explain the function of explain the drilling machine with question. Explain the drilling machine with neat sketch. At that time you have to draw the diagram, then you have to explain the function of each part in 1 or 2 lines, not more than that. Okay, any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, it's very simple. Looking to the diagram also, you can write 1 sentence or 2 sentences, not more. Okay. Next, so what are the notes? Actually, I have uploaded in the study material sheet. You refer it, and you can write the assignment. Okay. So the main parts: spindle, sleeve, column, head, table, and the base. Now put the heading: drilling operations performed on the drilling machine. Put the heading: operations performed on the drilling machine. Now one by one we'll discuss, or you will write the list of the operations can be performed on the this drilling machine. Write down. First operation, drilling. Write down drilling. Then boring. Boring. B-O-R-I-N-G. Boring. B-O-A-R नाही बघा. B-O-R. Boring. Third, rimming, R-E-A-M-I-N-G, rimming. Next, counter boring, counter boring, counter boring. Next, tapping. Next operation is tapping. Next, countersinking, countersinking, countersinking. Okay. Now, one by one we'll discuss. We have to draw first diagrams. So diagram we need to write. Okay. First put the heading drilling. Drilling. First operation drilling. So drilling is the operation is what? It is a process of producing the hole or process of making the hole in the workpiece or the metal plate. Okay. So whatever the required size of the hole can be produced using, that is a multi-point cutting tool. Multi-point cutting tool, nothing but drilling tool. It is also known as drilling tool, because for the drilling tool you can find multi-points cutting. See, these are the cutting points. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
There are a number of cutting points. Okay. So if you see the, if you imagine the drilling tool, you can find number of cutting points, right? And we can perform the drilling on the workpiece, and the required hole size can be maintained, or required hole size can be achieved, right? So you can say that drilling is the operation where it is a process of making a hole in the workpiece is known as drilling. Now in this operation, drilling operation, the tool has a rotary motion and workpiece is stationary, right? So we can obtain the drilling operation, or we can perform drilling operation. Now similarly, second operation is what? It's a boring operation. So boring means what? Can anybody tell boring? What is boring? Boring म्हणजे काय? Hello? What is boring operation? Can you tell what is boring? Say boring means what? Whatever the hole is made previously. Okay. So we have to make the finishing and the proper sizing. See what I'm saying here? Boring means what? We have to make a size to the hole, correct size to the hole. So it is a kind of a finishing operation. Boring means what? It is a kind of finishing operation, and whatever the required size of the hole can be obtained. कारण आता ड्रिलिंग मध्ये तुम्ही फक्त होल मारताय, पण ते होल एक त्याच जेव्हा तुम्हाला साईज पाहिजे, समजा 20 mm चं होल पाहिजे, तर ते 20 mm चं होल ते थ्रॉट असेल असं काही सांगता येणार नाही. आर यू गेटिंग व्हॉट आय एम सेइंग? मी काय म्हणतो लक्षात आहे का? समजा तुम्हाला तुम्ही 20 mm चं ड्रिल पाडलेलं आहे, तर प्रत्येक पॉईंट तुम्ही पॉईंट जर त्याचा डायमीटर चेकला, इनर डायमीटर तेवढा 20 mm भरणार नाही. ओके. तर ते युनिफॉर्म मेंटेन करण्यासाठी फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम जर तुम्हाला होलची साईज मेंटेन करायची असेल, सो यू नीड टू परफॉर्म द बोरिंग ऑपरेशन. सो इन द बोरिंग ऑपरेशन द sizing of the hole is made, as well as finishing. What are the required surface finish we can achieve through the boring operation, right? So this is about the boring operation. So for the boring operation there is a separate boring tool. सेपरेट एक बोरिंग टूल दिसते तुम्हाला बघा, असं हे टूल असणार आहे. ह्या टूलच्या साहाय्याने काय करणार आहे, आपण बोरिंग ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करणार आहोत. सो देर इज अ सेपरेट बोरिंग टूल. वी कॅन यूज इट फॉर मेकिंग द or sizing the hole as per the requirement and finishing on it. Okay. Then next operation is reaming operation. What is reaming operation? So in the reaming operation, if you want to enlarge the size of the hole, okay, and we want to achieve the surface finish to the work, whatever the previously drilled hole, so we can go for the reaming operation. So reaming can be done If you want to maintain the size, or if you want to enlarge the size, you can use the rimming operation, or you can perform rimming operation. So there's a separate rimmer, we can say. A rimmer is used. So you have to fit this rimmer in the that sleeve, and we can perform the rimming operation, right? Then next operation is countersinking. Countersinking means what? So that whatever the hole is produced previously, for that we are providing angle counter kind of. Or if you want to put some washer, okay, if you want to put some washer for the nut bolt arrangement, so you can have the countersinking operation. But how to do the countersinking? First we have to go for the drilling, then after that you have to go for the countersinking operation. Okay, then so these are the certain operations that we have to study, or we have to study at first year level. Okay, now can you draw these diagrams for each operations? Hello,
Yes, sir.
please draw it fast. Operation wise diagrams are expected.
पहिला ड्रिलिंग ना सर?
हाँ, पहिला ड्रिलिंग करा. First operation is drilling operation. Then this tapping means what? Whenever you want to make the threads, जर तुम्हाला थ्रेड्स पाडायचे असतील तर यू कॅन परफॉर्म द टॅपिंग ऑपरेशन. म्हणजे पहिला सुरुवातीला होल मारून घ्यायचं आणि त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला इंटरनल थ्रेडिंग करायचं आहे. सो यू कॅन गो फॉर द टॅपिंग ऑपरेशन. So whatever the sequence of operation I have given, list. So as per that you have to draw the diagrams. पहिला ड्रिलिंग काढा. Drilling diagram completed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you draw the boring operation. Diagram for boring operation. Okay, after boring, you can draw the rimming diagram for rimming operation.
Completed, sir.
Completed, na? Then draw the countersinking. Show the countersinking diagram also. Over? Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Now, next diagram is what? What is remain? Boring.
Tapping.
Tapping. Right, tapping. Over? Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, I will repeat whatever the diagram you have drawn. First drilling. So drilling.
Counter boring राहिले सर 2 मिनिट.
हाँ ठीक है, काउंटर बोरिंग करतो इट.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Now, so this drilling operations, what are the operations performed on the drilling machine? आता काय प्रश्न पडला की sir, why not we can perform the drilling operation on lathe machine? Yes, we can perform the drilling on the lathe machine also, no problem. But whatever the accuracy or time time, whatever the time consumption, we have to compare it. So where the time will be saved, so that we have to care that thing we have to take into consideration. आता तुम्ही लेथ वर्षी पण ड्रिलिंग करू शकता किंवा ड्रिलिंग मशीन मध्ये पण ड्रिलिंग ऑपरेशन करू शकता. कुठलं सुटेबल आहे ते तुम्ही ठरवायचं की बाबा yes, if you see refer the drilling machine, so on that drilling machine what are the time required is less as compared to the lathe machine. Are getting? So each and what are the operations now we are looking in the drilling machine, so same operations we can perform on the lathe machine also. म्हणजे लेथ मशीन वरती आपल्याला ऑपरेशन करता येतात, जे ड्रिलिंग करता ऑपरेशनचे, म्हणजे ड्रिलिंग करता येतं, काउंटर बोरिंग करता येतं, टॅपिंग करता, ऑल द ऑपरेशन्स कॅन बी परफॉर्म्ड ऑन द lathe machine also, but we have to see the time, how much the time consumed for lathe machine. If the more time will be consumed, then we should not go for the lathe machine, we should go for the drilling machine, right? So drilling operation where what are the hole size, required hole size, hole can be made using drilling tool. Okay, then secondly, if on next operation is a boring operation. In the boring operation, so whatever the hole is made, suppose 20 mm hole is made, so that 20 mm hole will not be same throughout. का असेल असेल का हो? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
जे बोरिंग ऑपरेशन मधून समजा 20 mm चं तुम्ही होल पाडला असेल, तर त्या होलची साईज समजा आपण एक 20 mm सॉरी 30 mm ची प्लेट घेतल्या, त्या 30 mm प्लेट मध्ये तुम्ही ड्रिल पाडलेलं आहे. तर ड्रिल पाडल्यानंतर तुम्ही कुठल्याही जर पॉइंटला त्याचा इनर डायमीटर चेक केला तर तुम्हाला 20 मिळेल का कमी, म्हणजे त्याचा हे होईल कमी बढ़ेल?
20च मिळणार ना?
नाही मिळणार.
नाही सर, कमी होणार.
कमी होणार, कारण material is not perfectly uniform. See, so whatever the raw material is available in market, it is not uniform. Are you getting? जे तुम्ही मेटल प्लेट घ्याल त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही बघत असेल केमिकल कंपोजिशन हे युनिफॉर्म नसतंय. त्याच्यामुळं जे काही तुम्ही होल पाडाल ते होल पाडल्यानंतर वरती तुम्हाला दिसेल 20 mm चं, पण मिडलला किंवा 1/4 पोर्शन त्याचं तुम्हाला 20 mm मिळणार नाही, लक्षात ठेवा. सो we need to go in such cases, we need to go for its boring operation. आपण boring का करायचं? So boring is the process where the existing hole size can be enlarged. For enlargement of existing hole size, we can perform boring operation. बघा प्रत्येक वेळा कळलं पाहिजे आपण बोरिंग कधी करायचं आहे आणि रिमिंग कधी करायचं आहे, काउंटर सिंकिंग कधी करायचं आहे हे सिलेक्ट करता आलं पाहिजे. येते लक्षात? जर तुम्ही सुरुवातीला ड्रिलिंग करणार, त्याच्यानंतर तुम्ही होल साईज जर तुम्हाला युनिफॉर्म नाही आली, म्हणजे जेवढी तुम्हाला 20 mm चं होल तुम्ही पाडलंय, तर प्रत्येक पॉईंट तुम्ही जर चेक केला इनर डायमीटर जर सेम आला नाहीये, 20 समजा काही ठिकाणी 19.5 येईल, 19.6 येईल, 19.8 येईल, तो युनिफॉर्म नाही ना होल. सो वी हॅव टू गो फॉर इट्स 20 साईज, मीन्स 20 mm साईज फॉर इच अँड एव्हरी पॉईंट. म्हणजे प्रत्येक पॉईंटला तुम्ही आतमध्ये जर आयडी चेक केला तर तो सारखा भरला पाहिजे, 20 भरला पाहिजे. सो फॉर दॅट व्हॉट वी हॅव टू डू इज हाऊ वी कॅन अचीव 20 mm, you have to perform boring operation. So you have to perform boring operation. So in the boring operation, whatever the tool is used, it is a single point cutting tool. So this single point cutting tool, and we can have the rotational motion to that boring tool, and accordingly the whatever the material will be removed, whatever the size is not maintained, it will be maintained using boring operation, right? So boring is the process where enlargement of size of the existing hole, that is the boring operation. Then reaming operation. So in the reaming operation, in the reaming process, not that much material will be removed. जे काही material remove करायचं आहे, जे existing hole पाडले त्याच्यामध्ये, ओके, तर तुम्हाला त्याच्यातून जास्त मटेरियल रिमूव्ह करत नाहीये, पण काय होतं जे तुम्हाला फिनिशिंग पाहिजे आतमधलं, सो दॅट कॅन बी अचीव्ड युजिंग रिमिंग ऑपरेशन. ओके, so reaming is the process where negligible amount of material will be removed, but it will ensure, or we can obtain good surface finish to the whatever the hole is produced previously. So that is the reaming operation. So for reaming operation there is a reamer. You can say as a reamer. Reamer is a cutting tool. Name of the cutting tool is reamer. So you can insert the rimmer in the whatever the previously hole, drilled hole, and we can have the exact size to the hole. Okay. Then countersinking. In the countersinking, whenever you want to provide some screws, काही screw लावायचे तुम्हाला वगैरे, तर we need to make a conical shape at the top side, means with certain depth. काही ठराविक depth पण तुम्हाला conical shape आणायचा असेल तर you can go for the countersinking operation. It is not throughout. It is up to some 1/4 portion or the 1/3 portion. So we can perform the countersinking. So firstly we make a hole, then we can perform the countersinking operation. Getting? Then next is the boring completed, countersinking completed. Then counter boring. So in the counter boring, whenever you want to put the washer, nut and bolt arrangement, so up to certain depth, we have to enlarge the hole size. बघा, certain depth पर्यंत, समजा एक 1/4 portion तुम्हाला होलची साईज वाढवायची, समजा 20 mm चं होल तुम्ही पाडलेलं आहे, परत तुम्हाला होलची साईज करायची काही सर्टन डेप्थ पर्यंत, म्हणजे समजा हे टोटल प्लेट आहे समजा 50 mm ची, तर ह्या 50 mm च्या प्लेट मध्ये तुम्हाला एवढ्या डेप्थ म्हणजे एक साधारणतः 15 mm चे तुम्हाला होलची साईज वाढवायची आहे. सो हाऊ यू विल डू दिस? वी हॅव टू यूज द अगेन single point boring tool. Okay, so with the help of this boring tool we can enlarge the size of the whatever the previously drilled hole, and the required hole size can be maintained. कळतंय? काउंटर बोरिंग म्हणजे काय असतंय, तुम्हाला इथं अरेंजमेंट करायची असेल नट बोल्टची, वॉशर लावायचं असेल तर तुम्हाला एवढा डेप्थ ठेवून ते तुम्ही बोरिंग करू शकता आणि रिक्वायर्ड साइज तुम्ही मेंटेन करू शकता. That is the counter boring operation. And the last is tapping operation. If you want to put the threads in the work previously drilled hole, we can go for the tapping operation. Are you clear? What are the operations performed on the drilling machine? Any doubt?
Yes.
Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So diagrams are important. Diagrams are important. More weightage goes to diagram part. Then 1 or 2 lines you can write its explanation. Okay. त्याचं एक लाईन मध्ये एक्सप्लेनेशन लिहून घेताय का? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please note down the explanation part. Just a minute. Write down. First, drilling. Put the heading as a drilling. Drilling dash. Drilling is the process. Drilling is the process that uses drill bit, drill bit, DRILLBIT, drill bit, to cut the hole of circular section, circular cross section, to cut the hole of circular cross section, to cut the hole of circular cross section in the solid materials, Okay, next, second operation, boring. You can put the heading boring. It is the process of enlarging. It is a process of enlarging a hole that has already been drilled, that has already been drilled. काय लिहिलं? Hello?
That
That is
Process of enlarging a hole that has already been drilled.
That has already been drilled. That has already been been drilled by means of single point cutting tool. By means of single point cutting tool. Single point cutting tool. That is boring tool. That is boring tool. That is boring tool. Okay. Next. Rimming. You can put the heading. Rimming operation. Rimming operation. Write down. It is the process of maintaining the size and surface finish. It is the process of maintaining the size and surface finish to the previously drilled hole. To the previously drilled hole. To the previously drilled hole. Okay. Next. What is next? Counter boring, na?
counter boring.
Put the heading. Counter boring. Counter boring. It is the operation. It is the operation. It is the operation. It is the operation of enlarging. It is the operation of enlarging. E-N-L-A-R-G-I-N-G. Enlarging. Enlarging. One end of existing hole. One end of existing hole. One end of existing hole. Concentric with original hole. Concentric with original hole. Concentric with original hole. Okay. Next line. It is required for accommodating. It is required for accommodating. It is required for accommodating the heads of the bolts. Accommodating the heads of the bolt. Accommodating the heads of the bolts. म्हणजे आपलं काउंटर बोरिंग काय करायचंय तर जे नट बोल्ट असतात ना त्याचं जे काही वरचं हेड असते ते हेड तिथं बरोबर फिट होण्यासाठी आपण काय करायचं काउंटर बोरिंग करायचं. ओके. Next operation is
Counter.
Tapping.
Tapping.
okay, tapping. Write down tapping. It is the process. It is the process of making internal threads. It is the process of making internal threads in the previously drilled hole. In the previously drilled hole. In the previously drilled hole. Okay. Next. पुढचं काय ऑपरेशन? Tapping. Counter sinking. Put the heading counter sinking. It is the operation. It is the operation. It is the operation used to enlarge. Used to enlarge the opening of a hole. The opening of a hole means at the start. सुरुवातीला थोडंसं opening ला काय करतो आपण hole ची size वाढवतो. Enlarging the opening of a hole that is conical hole. That is conical hole. That is conical hole. Okay, so it is the counter sinking operation. So it is actually preferred in case of screws. Whenever you want to put the screws, we can go for the counter sinking. Right. So here our drilling machine point is over. Now what is next? Whether actually in our syllabus milling machine is there? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Milling machine is there? Milling machine, milling. Can anybody check? Do you have syllabus? Revised syllabus? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Milling machine. I'm talking about milling machine.
Horizontal.
Horizontal milling machine. You check it, please.
The basic elements working and operation.
So 3 machines are there or 2 machines are there now?
Machine tools, 3 machines, center depth, drilling machine and horizontal milling machine.
Milling machine also there. Okay. So let me check the syllabus. No, up to drilling machine is there. No. Hello. Only machine tools and joining process. We have to discuss the center lathe machine and the drilling machine. So milling machine is not there here. Hello.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So previously in previous syllabus that was included, but now whatever the syllabus is revised, so that milling machine part is removed. Okay. Now we will discuss about the joining processes. Okay, here our machine tool part is over, right? Now we'll see, but you can see that how milling machine is there. Milling machine पण तुम्ही बघू शकता. ड्रिलिंग मशीन सारखंच असतं, काय बदल नसतो, पण एवढे ऑपरेशन जे असतात ते थोडंसं वेगळे. तुम्हाला गिअर कट करायचं असेल, इफ वॉन्ट टू कट द गिअर टिप्स, यू कॅन यूज द मिलिंग मशीन. आता तुम्हाला जर गिअर कटिंग लेथ मशीनवर करता येत नाही किंवा आपल्या ह्याच्यावरती करता येत नाही परफेक्टली ड्रिलिंग वरती, तुम्हाला यू कॅन यूज द मिलिंग मशीन. ऑन द मिलिंग मशीन वी कॅन परफॉर्म द गिअर कटिंग ऑपरेशन. Now put the heading joining processes. Joining processes. Now once you are clear about the machining process or the machining part, that is or the machine tools, right, then we have to understand the joining process also. Okay, so there are two methods of joining processes. One is temporary joining and the permanent joining process. So can you tell the temporary joining processes? तात्पुरता म्हणजे आपण ते कधी काढू शकतो, कधी आपण बसू शकतो. So what are the processes? Temporary joining processes. Who will tell?
Screwing.
Screwing. Aguzon?
Riveting.
Rivet. Yes. See, where you have seen the riveting operation? Or riveting कुठे केलं बघितले? कुठे करतात, कुठल्या पार्ट साठी? एकानं मला सांगा ना, एक प्रोडक्ट सांगा की तिथे तुम्ही रिवेटिंग बघितलेलं आहे, त्याला रिवेट मारलेलं आहे. टेल एनी वन प्रोडक्ट. Hello. Say what is the temporary joining process? If any part or any component that we want to join it, rejoin it or dismantle it, so frequency is more, then we can go for the riveting arrangement. Or after certain years or certain certain months, we want to disassemble it, so we have to go for the temporary joining process like riveting, screwing, nut bolt. Okay, these are the टेम्पररी जॉईनिंग प्रोसेस. म्हणजे दोन पार्ट आपल्याला जॉईन करताना तुम्हाला काय वेळेस ते सतत तुम्हाला जोडावे लागतील किंवा काढावे लागत असतील, तर त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही रिवेटिंग प्रोसेस यूज करू शकता किंवा स्क्रूइंग प्रोसेस यूज करू शकता किंवा नट बोल्ट अरेंजमेंट यूज करू शकता. ओके, तर मॅक्सिमम तुम्हाला रिवेटिंग वगैरे असं ते ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही एखादं मोठे शुगर फॅक्टरीज मध्ये ज्यावेळेस ते बॉयलर्स वगैरे असतात किंवा जे काही चिमणी बनवली असते तिथं तुम्हाला रिवेटिंगच मिळेल तुम्हाला. बिकॉज and one more process is there, that is the welding process. So if the sheet metal parts are very small, means whatever the size, thickness is very much smaller, for smaller thickness of the plates we have to go for the riveting process, not a welding process. Are you getting? आपण टेम्पररी जॉईनिंग मधला रिवेटिंग कधी वापरायचं आहे, जर दोन प्लेटची थिकनेस ह्या फारच कमी असतील, ओके 1 mm or 2 mm, तर त्या केसमध्ये तुम्हाला रिवेटिंग वापरलं पाहिजे. कारण इफ यू गो फॉर द वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस, दॅट मेटल शीट्स विल गेट मेल्ट इमिडिएटली. सो टू अवॉइड दॅट, सो वी कॅन गो फॉर द रिवेटिंग ऑपरेशन. आर यू गेटिंग व्हॉट आय एम सेइंग? टेम्पररी जॉईनिंग प्रोसेस कळते का?
येस सर.
हा, टेम्पररी जॉईनिंग प्रोसेसेस आपल्याला ज्यावेळेस दोन पार्ट्स, दोन मेटल शीट्स एकदम असे पातळ आहेत ते जॉईन करायचं, तुम्ही रिवेटिंग वापरू शकता. वेल्डिंग वापरता चालेल, पण त्याचं अननेसेसरी कॉस्ट वाढते आणि आपल्याला ते डिसमेंटल हे कंटिन्युअसली करावं लागत असतं, तर ते तुम्ही रिवेटिंग वापरू शकता. यू कॅन गो फॉर रिवेटिंग ऑपरेशन अँड पार्ट्स कॅन बी जॉईन टुगेदर. देन सिमिलरली यू कॅन गो फॉर द नट बोल्ट अरेंजमेंट और द स्क्रूइंग अरेंजमेंट. ओके, तर तिथे तुम्हाला ज्यावेळेस ते पार्ट पण रिमूव्ह करायचे असतात किंवा नट बोल्ट फ्रिक्वेन्सी जर तुमची जास्त असेल का म्हणजे डिसमेंटल करण्याची, तर you can go for nut bolt arrangement, that is the temporary joining process. Now first one is the permanent joining process. So if you want to join the parts permanently, so in future you are not going to dismantle, इथे तुम्ही काढणार नाहीत तर त्यासाठी तुम्हाला परमनंट जॉईनिंग प्रोसेस प्रेफर करावी लागेल. इन दॅट यू कॅन प्रेफर welding process, soldering process, and the brazing process. Okay, so these two processes, permanent joining and the temporary joining, we are going to discuss in detail. Okay, so in the next lecture we will see permanent joining processes, and then we'll cover temporary joining processes. Okay, so up to today we'll stop. Okay, now give the attendance. Roll number 1.
Present, sir.
2.
Present, sir.
3.
Present, sir.
4. 5.
Present, sir. 4 present.
Okay. 5.
Present.
6.
Present, sir.
7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
10.
Present, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
15.
Yes, sir.
16. 16. Roll number 16. 17.
Present, sir.
18. Roll number 18. 19.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21.
Present.
21.
Present.
22.
Present, sir.
23. 23. 24.
Present, sir.
25.
Yes, sir.
26.
Yes, sir.
27. 27. 28.
Yes, sir.
29. 29. 30.
Yes, sir.
31. 31. 32. 32. 33.
Present, sir.
34. 35.
Present, sir.
36.
Present, sir.
37.
Present, sir.
38.
Present, sir.
39.
Present, sir.
40.
Present, sir.
41. 41.
Present, sir.
42.
Present, sir.
43. 43. 43. 44. 42 present. Noted. 43. 43. 44. 43 present. Okay. 44.
Present, sir.
45.
Present, sir.
46.
Present, sir.
47.
Yes, sir.
48.
Present, sir.
49.
Yes, sir.
50.
Yes, sir.
51.
Present, sir.
52.
Present, sir.
53. 53. 53. 54.
Present, sir.
55.
Present, sir.
56.
Present, sir.
57. 57. 58.
Present, sir.
59.
Yes, sir.
60. 60. 61. 62. 61 present. 62. 62.
Yes, sir.
63.
Yes, sir.
64.
Yes, sir.
65.
Present, sir.
66. 66. 67.
Yes, sir.
68. 68. 68. Okay, I will repeat absent numbers. roll number 16, 18, 23, 27, 29, 31, 34, 53, 57, 60, 66, 68. हॅलो, बघा ॲब्सेंट मग मी आता जे अनाउन्स केले त्यातलं बघा कोण प्रेझेंट आहे का. I will repeat once again. 16, 18, 23, 27, 29, 31, 34, 53, 57, 60, 66, 68. Okay. Now next instruction. About tomorrow's session. So tomorrow your tests are going on smoothly. Any problem? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All the tests are going smoothly, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. You solve it, all the tests. If you take it seriously, then you will get something. Okay. And what are the syllabus? Okay. All teachers are trying maximum, okay, to cover your syllabus, right? So, but you meantime, you try to complete your assignment work, whatever the journal part, etc. Okay. So keep on completing this parallel work, like assignment completion or journal write-up, whatever it is. Right. So what is the status of CDT assignments? Hello?
चालू आहे सर.
चालू आहेत ना. बर, ठीक आहे. I have checked the assignments of some of the students. Okay, so I found very excellent whatever you put the efforts, but in some cases I'm finding copy cases. I'm finding copy cases. Some students are just putting on the Google and they're searching and they're just copy paste. So don't do this. This shows the formality. Okay. If you want to make a copy, okay, no problem. But you arrange in your logical manner. No, you apply thought on that and then you arrange it properly. So if you just Google search mind mapping on this and this point, okay, so just you're searching and just as it is you are copy pasting on the slide or any Word page, Word document. So then there's no use of this. It's a wrong method or wrong way that you will in the future you will suffer a lot. Okay, so whatever you are having, you have to think it and you have to draw it. Okay, तर मी तुम्हाला टॉपिक देताना पण सोपा दिलेला आहे. इंजिनिअरिंग ब्रांचेस खूप सारे विद्यार्थ्यांनी त्यावरती केले, खूप मस्त रिअली इतकं म्हणजे जबरदस्त केलेलं आहे. तसं तुम्ही ज्यांना जमत नाहीये त्यांनी विचारा मला, किंवा पण ते असं तसं काढू नका. ओके, मग ऍटलिस्ट थोडस पेपर घ्या, त्या पेपरवरती ड्रॉ करा. पण तुम्ही जस्ट कॉपी करणार आणि तिकडे पेस्ट करणार आणि नंतर म्हणणार की सर माय असाइनमेंट इज ओव्हर. सो डोंट send such kind of work to me for checking purpose. Okay, so it has no meaning. Just copy pasting and sending to me for checking purpose and getting the marks. So I will not put the marks for such cases. I will check what efforts you have taken. Immediately I can understand it. This is the work is done by you or you have taken the help of others or what you have done. So looking to the assignment, I can understand easily. Okay, कोणीही मला फसवायला जायचं नाहीये आणि कोणी असा चुकीच्या मार्गाने काही गोष्टी करायची नाही. येत नसेल विचारा मला, पण असं काही करू नका. ओके, देन रिअली सम स्टुडंट हॅव written very excellent assignment on this. So you are requested to take its color printouts and you preserve the document. That is the required. And I will create one Google form. Okay, so probably tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. What is the last deadline? Hello?
Say
5th na?
5.
Yes, sir.
So maybe tomorrow I will prepare the Google form for assignment submission. So just you have to scan it and you have to attach. Just scan that what are the assignment, one page, and you have to attach to that Google form and you send it to me. Okay. So maybe tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow, I will share that link and just fill up your information, your roll number, your name, etc., and attach that assignment. So like this, we'll proceed for remaining assignments. Getting. So if what about the holiday tomorrow? Is it there? Any notice about tomorrow working or holiday?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Once notice will come, tomorrow is working day, then only we'll follow the timetable. Other, if there is no any notice of working, then you have to treat as a holiday. कळतंय का काय म्हणतो? जर नोटीस आली वर्किंग आहे उद्या म्हणून तर ते लेक्चर्स आपले होतील. जर नोटीस आली नाहीये की उद्या वर्किंग आहे म्हणून तर तुम्ही अजून काय करायचं? देयर इज अ हॉलिडे. काय कन्फ्युजन?
No, sir.
हा. नोटीस आले का तुम्हाला आतापर्यंत?
No, sir.
त्यामुळे ते if it notice comes after 1 hour, up to 6 or 7, then you just check it on our Telegram channel, and if notice come that yes, tomorrow is working day, then you follow the timetable accordingly. Okay, I will give the, if notice come to my end, so I will share it on the Telegram channel immediately. Okay, if not from my side or any college side, then you assume it's holiday. Okay, so even in the holiday, if holiday is there tomorrow, then I am planning to have one session on creativity design. Will it be okay? घ्यायचं का? If you permit me, then I will take.
Yes, sir.
Boy side?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सुट्ट्या भरपूर झाल्यात आपल्याला. पुढच्या 3 असाइनमेंट पण डिस्कस करायचे कसे लिहायच्यात वगैरे. तर काही जणांचे झालेत, त्यांना थोडंसं त्यांचं स्पिरिट डाऊन झालं नाही पाहिजे. सो लेट देम राईट व्हॉट एव्हर द रिमेनिंग असाइनमेंट्स. सो विल कव्हर 3 असाइनमेंट्स बाय टुमॉरो. 3 असाइनमेंटच्या बद्दल आपण डिस्कशन उद्या करू शकतो आपण. तर टायमिंग वगैरे मी तुम्हाला टेलिग्राम चॅनलवरती कळवेल, तर त्याप्रमाणे तुम्ही जॉईन करायची मीटिंग आणि ते आपण उद्याचं डिस्कशन जे असेल आपण असाइनमेंट नंबर 4, 5 आणि 6 या 3 असाइनमेंट उद्या करू शकतो आपण. ठीक आहे. कोणाला काय अडचण आहे जॉईन करायसाठी उद्याचं सेशन जर अरेंज केला तर? एनीबडी हॅज प्रॉब्लेम?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, time.
Timing I will communicate by tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. I will communicate the timing of the session. Okay. So we'll stop here.